welcome to Sarah's Stamping Retreat. Today I'm going to be creating a layered card with my Betterpress plate. We're going to be using this Betterpress of the month for May, Wild and Free, from Spellbinders. And this month's clubs have got this gorgeous kind of tropical vibe to them. So you've got like the parrots and the tropical plants. And then you've also got this Be Wild and Free on your birthday sentiment. So I'm going to bring in my Betterpress. And this Betterpress plate is actually slightly bigger than A2 size. And that's so that it kind of goes off the edges of your card a little bit. You don't have to worry about getting kind of a white gap at the side. So I'm going to line this up in the centre. And this is where it's really useful to have the grid lines. So then I've got a piece of Betterpress cardstock. And for this I'm going to attach it by rolling up a piece of this yellow tape and popping it on the back. Because I don't want anything covering the front of the card, because the front of the card is going to be all stamped all over. So then I'm going to grab my black Betterpress ink. I'm going to ink this up. And I've had this Betterpress about 6 months now, and I've only ever had this one black ink that it came with. I've actually ordered some colours because I just want to have a try with other things. I'm really enjoying using it, and I want to kind of expand what I've got a little bit. So I've just ordered a set of 4 colours. But for now, I've just been having fun with that one small black ink pad. So I'm going to pop that through my Betterpress machine. And I never worry about how these are going to come out. They always come out so beautifully. You can see you get such a crisp image. It's really gorgeous. But I want to add some layers to this image. So I'm actually going to do the same again with another piece. So I'm just going to repeat the whole process again. So then we've got our 2 pieces, and I'm going to co-colour them in. So then I've coloured this piece, which I'm really pleased with. I coloured that with my Karin markers. And then I've also coloured the parts of the other piece that I want to pop up, and you can see that I've cut those out as well. Now, you've got 2 options really for like these small areas where you can't really get into them very easily with the scissors. So either you could just colour them blue like the background and just have them like that, or you could go around with your Stanley knife and cut them out. I think this is the way that looks better, but obviously it takes more time. I know some people find Stanley knives quite difficult to use. So I think that the colouring it blue option is still a good one, but I just want to go one step further and cut them out with my Stanley knife. So then I'm just going to go around the edges here with that same blue I used in the background, just so that any of those white edges don't show up. And then I'm going to pop these bits up on foam pads. And then where it printed slightly differently on each piece, I've got a little bit of excess here, so I'm just going to trim that off the bottom. And then I can add that to my card blank. And then there we've got our finished card, and I'm so happy with how that turned out. Absolutely love that press plate, it's so cool. So really hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, I'd appreciate you clicking like below, and you can also press subscribe if you'd like to see future videos. If you press the bell button and select all, then YouTube will also notify you when I have a new video available. All of the products that I've used for today's card are listed in the description below. And there's also a link there to my blog where you can find a picture supply list if that helps you find what you're looking for. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you again soon.